What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to your no longer daily Ethereum update, but your Ethereum update. Basically, what I've been doing to kind of give you a heads up is I've been switching the Bitcoin and Ethereum analysis. All right, so I do Bitcoin every 2 days and Ethereum every 2 days because well, we were just not moving a lot, and I thought the value was reduced because it was practically saying almost the same thing every day. And now we can actually say some different things and add some more value, like that Ethereum is recovering a little bit. The entire market today has been recovering. You can see Bitcoin is actually, well, I would definitely not call it bullish yet. If you take a look at over the last 7 days, but it has been showing some momentum, and the same goes for Ethereum. Again, not fully unexpected. Yesterday, or no, the day before, we analyzed Ethereum, and it looked likely that we were going to drop down to this 1075 level, and then from there recover a little bit more up to 1175, which is exactly what we did. And right now we're in that situation that we're at that resistance level. So in this analysis, I really wanted to do a deep dive on it technically. But of course, I also want to talk about some of the fundamentals. So obviously, we still have a lot of fear and a lot of bearish news in the market altogether, which you definitely shouldn't underestimate. In the end, this could also just be a bull trap, and that will crash down even lower towards 1,000, because that's the next support level fairly soon afterwards. But this is also a chance. It really is. Like an extreme event, because this is also a chance to recover very well. It's basically either we're going to recover or we're going to crash down harder. So if we then take a look at the fundamentals in the market, you would say, all right, we're going to crash down harder because the fundamentals are still bad. Like Genesis, another big crypto lending company, is on the verge of bankruptcy, is looking for liquidity from different liquidity providers all over the world. Then the economic fundamentals you check out, and you see that the Dixie is still falling, and you think, all right, that's great. Those fundamentals are good. And then apart from that, you also know that that overall everything what happened with FTX is already a while ago. You know, we might actually be recovering a little bit. There might be a little bit more stability. But yeah, so it's just all over the place. And to be honest, I think the technicals can actually provide us some solutions in a scenario like that. So if we then, I want to zoom in. I'm not sure if we really can, but I want to. So you can clearly see 1175 is our major resistance level. Just above that you have 1200 as well, but I'm fairly confident that if we're able to break above 1175, that will also be able to break above 1200. So let's focus on 1175. Found resistance there twice, kind of the same as 1150. What's happening right now is that we're probably going to drop down to 1150, 1145 to be quite precise. And then if we really want to see some more stability, and you would have to zoom into the 1 hour time frame as well, what we need to do is we need to hold that level. We need to hold that level, and then we need to challenge 1175 again. Because if we keep challenging 1175, at some point we're going to break through. And when we break through, we'll find resistance at 1200, but at some point I do believe that after breaking above 1175, we'll also break above 1200 and see some more recovery. That could still take some time, that could still take a couple of days, but this is really the most bullish scenario, and this really is the scenario of further recovery of Ethereum. Now, the one thing that could happen, and to know that it's going to be a crash and no further recovery, is if we now drop down towards this 1140, 1145 level, find some support there. But if we do not challenge 1175, and if it breaks, we're probably going to drop down again, all right? We're probably going to drop down to 11 and 1075 again. And then this was nice. This was some recovery, but it's not the recovery we hoped for. So I would argue that the most important level really is, excuse me, my voice. In the morning, it's always weird, just after drinking coffee. But I'd say 1145, 1140 is the most important level to look out for right now. So I would suggest you zoom into the 1 hour time frame as well if you want to monitor it. But for now, that's my take on Ethereum this morning. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.